there, I hear that you are ready to write a book. Can I just say that I am so excited for you? As a best-selling author myself of 10 books, I have decided to create an aspiring author jumpstart kit. And honestly, it's a kit that I wish I had when I was beginning. The best part about it is it's totally free. In the kit, you're going to get strategies that you can use to be able to find time to write on a busy schedule. You're also going to get a strategy that you can take your big idea and break it down into bite-sized chunks so that you can start writing without the overwhelm. And you're going to get some tools so that you know the most important things that you should invest your time and money in on the writing journey. The best part about this kit is it's totally free and you can get started right away. And I totally forgot to mention that I have some extra goodies for those fast action takers. So come on and join me. Simply use the link below to sign up, and I can't wait to see you on the inside.